Good morning, biology friends. A cool headline caught my attention this morning, and that was fat bears in Alaska. Of course, who wouldn't get caught by that headline? In Katmai National Park Reserve in Alaska, they hold an annual contest. So it's more like a great PR move that involves observation of wildlife and, of course, helps to garner respect for wildlife, which I really love. Basically, it is to observe obese bears and, to name them, to sort of see how they're going along, because these bears are bulking up in preparation for their annual hibernation. They undergo a phase called hyperphagia, where they eat and eat and eat and become very, very fat. And then they will go into hibernation and, of course, utilize all of those reserves as they go through a long phase of time where they don't eat. So interestingly, I was always kind of thinking about how this relates to humans and human behavior, and we really struggle with obesity and extra weight gain. We struggle in the behaviors that go along with it. So something like these bears, or I'm even thinking of migrating birds who bulk up substantially prior to going on long migrations. Even things that get a bad rap, things like cockroaches that can intricately manipulate macromolecules and just extract proteins, for example, or fat out of a food source because that's what they need. I mean, this is a real complicated and sophisticated way to obtain the nutrition that they require. Certainly a lot more sophisticated and selective than somebody stopping at the drive-thru, grabbing whatever it is that they need and bulking up that way. So I like to draw attention to how animals handle situations that are perhaps similar to what we might encounter, and how they're actually doing it a lot of times with much more finesse and beauty than we may be. We seem to get stuck. We don't seem to be able to manipulate our bodies according to what our biological needs are to the extent that other animals can. Food for thought, guys. Happy long weekend.